I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
You start by preparing the device and VPN app, so every app will use the tunnel. Install a VPN that supports system-wide routing or OS-level configuration. Once installed, grant the VPN permission to create a VPN profile and any accessibility rights required. Make sure you have your account login and 2FA ready, and pick target server locations. This reduces interruptions during routing setup and lets you move straight into configuring full device traffic without guessing why apps still leak data. Now configure routing so all apps go through the VPN. On Android, enable Always-On VPN and lock the connection. On iOS, use per app VPN profiles in MDM or device settings. On desktop, set the VPN adapter as default gateway. Disable split tunneling so no app bypasses the tunnel, and point DNS to the VPN provider or a secure resolver to avoid leaks. Once done, confirm the VPN is the default network interface and test with traffic and DNS leak checks to verify full coverage. Finish by verifying and locking the setup so it stays system-wide. You should run IP and DNS leak tests and open multiple apps, browsers, messengers, and background services to confirm all traffic uses the VPN. Enable the kill switch and auto-reconnect to prevent leaks if the VPN drops. If something fails, restart the VPN service, reinstall the client, or apply explicit OS routing rules. One key troubleshooting tip: if an app still leaks, inspect split tunnel and DNS settings first. Those are the usual culprits.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.